Stop dragging shit on the ground, stupid car. You have a key?
Oh, it's in
for that? Oh, is it? Okay.
Sure.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's in the cup holder.
Let me first start off by saying this is not a replacement for the bucket. This belongs to a family friend. The bucket's pretty much just gonna stay at his man cave while I work on this thing until it's done, and then when this is done, we're gonna give that back and I'll take the bucket back. So the bucket's not gone, it's just being stored elsewhere for the meantime while we work on this. So this car belongs to a family friend and we're gonna be doing a lot of work to this thing to get it up to par again. So he bought this car when it was brand new, he drove it for a little while, and then he parked it when he got a different car, and it's pretty much sat for a very long time, and now he wants to start driving it again, so he reached out to me to get some work done and some basic maintenance stuff fixed on it. So it'll be a solid daily drivable car again. So he pretty much handed me the keys and said, do what you would do with it if it was yours, aside from modifications. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing. This is a 1999 E36 M3. It's got about 80,000, 85,000 miles on it, so it's fairly low miles. Thing's in good shape. It just needs some loving, that's all. It just needs a little R&D, a little touch up. Aside from that, this thing is pretty clean. We're gonna be doing a lot of basic maintenance on this car. This car is all original, like everything. Cooling system, belts, trans fluid, diff fluid, all that stuff is all original, has not been touched. Pretty much only oil changes have really been done to this thing aside from a minor thing. So we're gonna be doing a lot of work, a lot of maintenance stuff, just basic maintenance to get this thing back up to par. So this is also gonna be a really good opportunity to do a lot of DIYs that I have not done on the channel yet as far as basic maintenance goes, just from me being negligent and not really, you know, prioritizing other things instead of what I should be prioritizing on my car. So I've been trying to rebuild the cooling system on that thing for a very long time, but we haven't done it yet. That's just really bad form. I need to do that. We're gonna get a new set of fog lights. We have a lot of parts already, so these are, I believe they're depot headlights. So the headlights are all super faded. So that's gonna be one. It needs new badging, it needs a whole wash. This fender is kind of pushed in, so we're probably gonna pop that back out. We're gonna give the whole car a really nice detail. We're gonna be doing some interior work to clean it up. The leather's like a little bit worn, so we're gonna see what we can do about that. We have a ton of parts. So we're gonna be redoing the entire belt system. We got a radiator, we're gonna be doing the whole cooling system all the way through. We're gonna be doing, you know, basic sensors. What is this? Another nice thing is he wants to get rid of the wheels that this car has. He was really interested in my set of DS2s. So we're probably gonna end up trading wheels, which honestly, I am perfectly okay with. Of course, when we do trade, I'm gonna get these fully refurbished, probably in like a brushed aluminum, but these are genuine LTW stamped wheels, which is freaking, I've been trying to find a set of these wheels for so long, and they're so expensive when you find a good set. So it runs and drives pretty good as it is right now, but there's a lot of things that are starting to go bad. I don't think it's leaking any fluids yet. It's probably like a 20-something minute drive from where he lives to here. The engine did not get up to temp that entire time. So the thermostat is starting to stick open, so that's a pretty good sign that a lot of things are starting to go bad. So we're gonna be doing plugs, all the belts. So this is super dusty. So we're probably gonna give the engine bay a good once over, wipe it down, clean it. There's gonna be a lot of nice DIYs that are gonna come out of this little project, and it's gonna be fun. So I've been kinda off the DIY game for a little while. I haven't really been dropping as many as I used to. For those of you guys who just got an E36 or have had an E36 for a little while but haven't done a lot of basic maintenance stuff on it, we're gonna be covering pretty much almost every basic maintenance aspect on one of these cars, aside from a couple other things like some dent pulling and some headlights and just some good basic stuff. If you get an E36 and you want like a list of stuff to do to it to make sure that it runs stout and solid, that's pretty much everything we're gonna be doing to this car. We're also gonna be doing some convertible top stuff for you drop top guys. We're gonna be replacing the rear back window. I believe this one zips out because I think it's an OEM top, and then just some other stuff like these flaps are all hanging down and this thing is hanging down, so we're probably gonna be figuring out how all that stuff goes back together. I don't know. So it'll be fun. Alright, so I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop, let you guys know what's going on and what's up and coming on the channel aside from the Cheeto build. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars.